Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Focus so you can access Do Not Disturb quickly. Once there, locate Do Not Disturb in the list. This is the master control that silences calls and alerts. Make sure your iPhone software is up to date so options match these instructions. Now, tap Do Not Disturb to view its toggle and scheduling options. This first step is where you begin the actual disabling process rather than guessing which menu hides it. Now you flip the main Do Not Disturb switch to off. This immediately restores normal alerts. If scheduled is on, make sure to turn that off as well so it doesn't reactivate automatically. While you're here, review allowed notifications so favorite contacts or apps aren't still being silenced by other focus modes. Once done, exit Settings and test by sending yourself a message or calling to confirm sounds and banners return as expected. This verifies the change actually took effect. Finish by checking Control Center. Swipe down from the top right and look at the crescent moon icon. Make sure it's gray or inactive. If alerts still seem blocked, double-check other focus modes and disable them too because they can mimic Do Not Disturb. If the toggle won't change, restart your iPhone. If that fails, reset focus settings in Settings right arrow focus to clear custom rules. This troubleshooting tip usually resolves sticky DND behavior, so notifications return to normal.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.